In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can get a free SSL certificate for your website. Hi, my name is Ankit and you are watching AnkitSharma.tv, where I create videos related to WordPress, social media, search engine optimization, and everything that can help you simplify your online business. So in this video, we will be talking about how to get a free SSL certificate for your website. Now, there are various ways by which you can get this SSL certificate for free of cost, but for this video we will get our free SSL certificate from our hosting company. So instead of going with any third-party website or any third-party service provider, we will get this SSL certificate for free of cost and from our very own website hosting company. Now, in my case, I use SiteGround for all of my websites. And if you ask me, I always recommend to use SiteGround as your hosting company. So let's dive into the process for how to add a free SSL certificate from SiteGround. So now to add a free SSL certificate, we first need to log in our SiteGround hosting account. So let's go ahead and do that. I've been using SiteGround for many years now, and I always recommend to use SiteGround as your hosting provider. If you want to buy a hosting from SiteGround, then please do check the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, and if you buy hosting from that link, it will help this channel and we will be able to make more such tutorials for you. So once we are on SiteGround, we just need to go ahead and click on login from the top. And now we just need to enter our login details and then click on sign in. Alright, so we go to my accounts to log into the Cpanel of our hosting panel. So we click on Cpanel. And once you are inside the Cpanel of your website, we need to scroll all the way down and look for an option. It says Let's Encrypt. Now once you are on the Let's Encrypt page, just go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Now to add a new SSL certificate for free of cost, we will be using Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Now make sure you always choose this Let's Encrypt SSL because this is the one which is available for free. If you go with Let's Encrypt Wildcard SSL, it's gonna charge you monthly or yearly some amount of $30 to $50. So we will always go with Let's Encrypt so that we can get a free SSL certificate. And from this list, we will be choosing our domain for which we need to add the SSL certificate on. So once you choose your domain, just click on install. And that's it. It will now take around 5 to 10 minutes and you will get your free SSL certificate for your website. So I go ahead and click on OK. Now, if you are wondering what is this SSL certificate and why you actually need that on your website, then let me help you understand in simple words. SSL certificate is not a security for your website, but it's actually a protocol that helps you encrypt the data which is going from your website to the hosting server, or whatever information you are taking from your website, from your users, it will be done in an encrypted form. You may be using a contact form on your website, you may be using a comment section on your website, or if you have an e-commerce website, you are handling a full checkout process. All that data transfer from your website to the server will get encrypted using this SSL certificate. Now, when you have an SSL certificate installed on your website, you will see that there is a secure badge showing on the browser. So this means that SSL certificate is installed on this website and all the data transfer from this website to a hosting server will be safe and encrypted. So if you check back after 10 minutes, you will see that your domain will be added in the list of SSL certificate enabled websites on your server. So I can see that here is our domain which we have added recently. So now I have an SSL certificate on this domain. So if I install WordPress or use it for any purpose, I can choose HTTPS in the URL, which means my domain will now have a secure badge on the browser. So that's it for this quick tutorial, and if you find it useful, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.